What's up guys? So in this video we are going to check a new AI tool that is ArtSmart AI, and in this AI tool you can literally create amazing images in very less price. Even you get the free credits first, and after trying that you can pay. So let's check it out how you can actually do this, and also there is a video for your demonstration. Like if you are completely beginner in this platform, you can check out this and also get very basic idea. Like this is the platform, and I have created multiple images using this. Like if you check, kind of this is Loki in the throne protecting the branches, and this is Spider-Man meet Loki. And also created some images that is related to this one, like out painting something creative based on your previous image, like this. So you already know what these things are. So in this video we are going to actually talking about tunes. Okay, so first of all let me log in. Okay, so let's check it out the tunes. This is the tune page actually. So let's train my tunes, and I have to upload my 10 head images. Okay, so if I go to images, okay, just let me choose the images and then start the video. So yeah, the images are added successfully, and now it's first of all taking asking for upload 10 head images. So make sure your face is properly visible in these images, and after that it asks for upload 10 upper body, so that your full body or different dimensions, different angles, like this one this is visible to the AI, so that it can train your character. And I set this as private, and let's see. So finally the mail is came, your 64 images are ready. Actually I do have 64 tune image credit, that's why 64 image. And I literally surprised by seeing the output of ArtSmart. It's really amazing, but I guess you can also improve by yourself as well, because you can open it in your playground, new playground, and you can enhance as your wish also. So you already know what are the inputs I have given, and just check the hairstyle, the skin texture, and the eyes also are pretty alike. But yeah, like this spacecraft, this is amazing. So make sure you also try. The link is given in the description, and let me know in the comment section how much you satisfy by the output of this AI, and if it really good, don't forget to give a like in this video, and make sure you subscribe. Please do share with your friends so that they also know the power of AI and the character. Till then, take care.